their partners are here in hundreds of numbers to show solidarity. Any moment from now, they're coming to make official presentation. Zenith Bank is one of the leading banks across the globe. Now the chairman, House Committee on Infectious Diseases, is here. He's the Nnaji Federal Constituency, Uchaoka. On behalf of Nnaji family, Professor Barrister and Mrs. Ebere Obi Nnaji, Honorable Nnaji, Mr. Dave Nnaji, Nnenna Nnaji, management of Zenith Bank PLC.